Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable coins animation on Hamster Kombat. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app. Now go to the Hamster Kombat official page chat. Here you can see the play button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Once you are on the Hamster Kombat home screen, tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. You can now see the coins animation option at the bottom of the list. Simply tap on the toggle switch right next to the coins animation option and turn it on. And this is how you can enable coins animation on Hamster Kombat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.